This is by Katy Perry. Can I get you guys to come in a little closer, because when this starts to get quite big we get in trouble for that, so if you can come in, just come on, you're perfectly safe. I swear to God, he's actually tied down to what he's got on there. Can't move from it. It's a very heavy case. It's filled with the heads of... Never mind. Keep going in if you can. Just a few more steps here, because people will stand behind you and it'll get thicker and thicker. So that's brilliant. Thank you very much. From Dublin, by the way, we have our first headline gig ever in the Butt Factory on the 1st of December. Tickets will be going on sale for that, I think, this week, so pop out.
Do you ever feel like a racist spring floating through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel just so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from going in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the screen, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's a chance for you, cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, make your colors burst. Make it go, you're gonna leave the morning on. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original and cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed is when you open one, it leads out to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and in time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make it go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, make your colors burst. Make it go, you're gonna